Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by turning location on and getting the radios working. First, open Quick Settings and enable location, then flip airplane mode on and off to reset radios. Once done, reboot the phone to clear transient glitches. Make sure the specific app you use has location permission and background access. Without that, Android will block GPS. Also check that high accuracy isn't forcibly off in a custom ROM or enterprise profile. Fix those profiles before proceeding. Next, increase precision by switching location mode to high accuracy so GPS can use Wi-Fi and mobile networks as anchors. Then go to Apps, find Google Play Services and the Location Services app and clear cache. If that fails, clear data. Update Play Services and the Maps or Navigation app from the store. Make sure battery optimization is disabled for those apps because aggressive power saving suspends GPS fixes. Finally, calibrate the compass by waving the phone in a figure 8. To finish, test GPS outdoors with a clear sky and give the device 2 to 5 minutes to get a cold fix. You should see satellites or a stable lock. If results are inconsistent, boot into safe mode to disable third-party apps. If GPS works there, uninstall the offender. As a last step, reset network or location settings before a full factory reset. If nothing helps, suspect hardware, contact repair or use an external Bluetooth GPS. That's the key troubleshooting tip to keep you moving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.